Hello everyone, my name is Alberto and welcome back to my channel. So in the last video I showed you a quick version of how to cast on, and in this one we're gonna start with the first stitch, which is the knit stitch. Now it's pretty quick to work, it just takes a little bit of practice, but when you learn you'll see it's quite easy. So we have working yarn, which is the one that goes to the ball and the tail. We're gonna work with the working yarn, of course. We're gonna take our second needle and insert it in one of the loops, like so. Then take our working yarn, put it on top of the needle from left to right, like that. And then with the needle, we're gonna help us bringing the new yarn through, and we're gonna have the old loop just fall off the other needle and continue doing so. So inserting the needle, looping the yarn on top, and then bringing the yarn forward like that, creating new loops on the working needle that are gonna be our stitches. And just doing so, we're gonna work our whole line. And when we get to the end, we're gonna work the last stitches exactly the same way. And when we're done, all our work is transferred on the second needle and the first needle is gonna be empty. So to continue, we'll just switch them around. So in my case, my needle with the work on is gonna go to my left hand and the empty needle on the right hand. And always remember to keep the working yarn coming out in front of you, in this case like that, for the knit stitch. And then we're just gonna keep going until we reach the length we desire, or that's called from our pattern. Here's how the knit stitch looks after a few rounds. As you can see, you get these raised lines, and it looks exactly the same from both sides. It's quite elastic in every direction, and it's quite a thick result. You'll see once we start mixing some more stitches, we can get all sort of effects. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video and found it useful. In case you did, please leave a like and subscribe, it's a great help, and I'll see you next time. Bye!